And that seems to be working nicely. I'm just going to drag this out of the road a little bit just so that we can give ourselves a little bit more resolution. And that's really brought that far mountain range out in the image. So what we can do now is grab that ramp in the Mountain 05 layer, grab the ramp, Control C to copy, Mountain 04, Control V. So we've just pasted the same effect onto this Mountain 04. Let's go ahead and unhide or isolate Mountain 03 as well so that we can see how the gradient's working. And I might just hide the Mountain 05 and the sky, just so we can really tell what we're working with here. So the Mountain 04 looks like we can bring the black down on it a little bit. I might just unhide the sky, come in here a little bit, probably bring the black just down a little bit, and it gives it that contrast. You can see it along the edge there where it's picking up the ramp from the Mountain 05 layer. But it looks like we could probably bring our lighter colour up, not too much, and then just bring the black down slightly, and that's giving us a nice sort of fall off there and silhouetting the Mountain 03 in front of it as well nicely. So let's select Mountain 03, Control V, and copy that ramp in again, and we'll realign the black, just bring it down slightly. And you see by doing that we're getting a nicer silhouette along the top. And we'll just unhide Mountain 02 to make sure that we're getting a nice effect. Bring the lighter colour down. We're going for subtlety on this effect, and I think that's probably there's probably going to do the job. Now we'll go with Mountain 02, Control V, and we'll just bring the black down to about here, and then drop the lighter colour right down quite low. We'll unhide the foreground mountain just to see how that's working, and we're getting a nice effect there. We could probably bring the lighter colour up a little bit, just given that we're probably not going to be zooming in on this particular bottom right section of the composition. We'll probably be starting up on the horizon line up here a little bit more. So just make sure that those gradients are working before you start, and you should get something like that, just some very faint fall off of that lighter colour on each mountain range there. And I guess we could maybe go for, we'll grab the foreground mountain, Control V, and we'll do a little bit of adjustment here